Hello everyone, it's Mr. Rabbit here to talk about cultural capital again. Remember, the point of the Cultural Capital Handbooks are to remind you of the key characteristics that will help you become a happier and more successful person in adulthood. So let's talk about respect today. It's so important it was already a value in the school. As it says in the handbook, respect is giving thought to the feelings of others, which is extremely important in understanding why other people act the way they do. But I would like to talk briefly about the other definition that talks about the admiration for things. To the right, I have given 3 examples of famous people who have demonstrated respect for the things they consider important. Let's look at Stormzy today, a multi-award winning rapper who went to a school in London. I've taught in the school he went to, in fact. He has a whole page on Wikipedia devoted to his awards despite only being in the industry for a few years. In that time, he's built up a net worth of over £20 million. And that's including the cost of donating to multiple charities that aim to fight racial inequality, justice reform, and black empowerment in the UK. In particular, he has set up a scholarship to cover the tuition costs for 2 students to attend the University of Cambridge, stating, "Black people have been playing on an uneven field for far too long, and this pledge is a continuation in the fight to finally try and even it." Stormzy is a person with a similar background to many of the students in our school. He has become wildly successful in his chosen field, in part due to the respect he has shown, respect towards the value of education. Today, whilst you're in class, I would like you to think about why this rap star respects the value of education so much. And what can you do yourself this day that demonstrates your respect for the value of education? Any ideas you have, I want you to jot them down in your handbook.